Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia Ananta with study number H1C023057. In here, I will read supporting and opposing argument text about homeschooling is better than sending your child to a large state school. Homeschooling is an educational practice in which parents or guardians choose to educate their children at home, rather than at a formal school. In homeschooling, parents or guardians are usually the primary teachers and are responsible for their children's curriculum, teaching, and learning. Homeschooling approach can vary depending on the family's preference and needs. Although some families may use a curriculum that is in line with national education standards, there are also those who choose a more flexible educational approach and adapt the curriculum to the child's interests and talents. Homeschooling is a place to instill a love of learning by providing the freedom to learn anywhere, anytime, and with anyone. The homeschooling education system is also able to provide a better learning situation than in let's state school. Study time in homeschooling is flexible and not rigidly scheduled like at school. Homeschool children are free to determine their study time according to the real condition they face. Homeschool children find it easier to develop their potential according to their capacities. Homeschooling provides education tailored to your needs. Children have the opportunity to learn at their own pace, which can be slower or faster than state school students who adhere to the curriculum. The homeschooling education system is able to provide maximum service, especially for students with special needs. Students with receive education according to their special needs. Homeschooling has advantage in its learning methods, especially individual learning. In homeschooling, children have the freedom to carry out their learning process comfortably because they are not burdened by curriculum targets like in formal or non-formal school. These children have the opportunity to explore learning according to their respective learning styles with mutually agreed targets. For example, during the first half of the 1980, homeschool children in Alaska consistently outperformed their public school peers on standardized achievement tests. Homeschooling can provide comfort for parents who have concerns about their children regarding bad association in the public school environment. With homeschooling, children are more easily supervised by their parents. Children can focus more on learning rather than playing, which can lead to negative things. Homeschooling can also provide a conducive learning atmosphere for children when compared to other large state schools which have many students, making learning less conducive. However, the flexibility of learning time in homeschooling does not suit every child's learning style. Some students thrive in a structured environment with a fixed schedule, and the lack of a rigid schedule in homeschooling can potentially lead to procrastination or a lack of discipline in certain cases. There are also children who will feel lazy if they have an irregular study schedule. Furthermore, the assertion that homeschooling provides a better learning situation for children might not hold true universally. Public schools, despite their large class size, offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities, research, and specialist teachers and might be challenging to replicate in a homeschooling environment. Although we acknowledge in the advantage section that homeschool children can be supervised directly by parents and might be able to avoid negative association, they naturally miss out on interaction by spending more time at home. They may lose touch with their friends, have fewer friends, and have less experience interacting with people from different backgrounds. Their view of the world can be very narrow. In the worst case, they can be considered intolerant and misinformed, as well as lacking knowledge about social values in general. This might harm them in the future. In conclusion, homeschooling can be positive or negative according to each person's view. Homeschooling can be positive if parents and children choose to prioritize flexible learning, not be driven by the government curriculum and focus on the child potential. Meanwhile, homeschooling can be negative if children cannot study in a flexible time because it can reduce discipline, and homeschooling can make children interact less with other people. Thank you. See you next time.